Hi love Hi lovies. I am using my iPod because my computer won't turn on, and this is my attempt to turn on my computer. I've been trying to turn it on for like the past half an hour and it still won't work. Look. It's like it's like all off. Like, it won't even turn on. It won't even like do anything, and I'm like so tired of it. And wait, did I just hear something? Okay, no, never mind. And like, I don't know, it's so frustrating, and I don't know, I just hate it. Like, it's so boring. And my mom, I told her, and it's like the middle of the night. Yeah, it's 11:54 p.m. and my mom woke up at 10, and I told my mom, she's like, I'm getting freaking tired of this computer. And I we love Apple and everything, but really Apple has gone too far. Like, for real, it has to get this computer fixed, because I'm not gonna fix it. I fixed it for the last 24 hours. It's either the computer, it's either one, the computer, or two, the charger. And my mom already ordered a new charger, and it's like it still hasn't come, and I'm getting tired. And I know it's winter break, but I have to do my reading plus homework and everything. Like, it's so tiring. So anybody leave like a comment or a link down here and tell me how to turn on my MacBook. It's the white MacBook, this one. Well, yeah, that one. It's the white one, the MacBook 13-inch. So just tell me if this has happened to you before, because I'll tell you what happened. I was using it, and it was charged in, and then the battery had an X on it, and I was, gonna turn it off, but I didn't. And then like half an hour later, it turned off by itself, and then I tried to turn it back on, and then it didn't turn back on. And that happened to me earlier on this morning, and then it turned on, but like this one hasn't. So tell me what to do, lovies. Thank you. Bye.